Discourteous drivers face sanctions in the city of San Juan. This is in accordance with a new city regulation dubbed as Pedestrian Safety Ordinance Act. Let's find out more from Alvin Baltazar.
All drivers traversing San Juan City, courtesy to individuals who are crossing the streets or else face penalty. With the city's new ordinance dubbed as Pedestrian Safety Ordinance Act, all persons driving any motorized vehicle must stop to give way to crossing pedestrians. Failure to observe such ordinance will be meted out of a penalty of 1,000 pesos for the first offense, 2,000 pesos for the second commission, and on the third offense, an offender must pay 5,000 pesos. According to Melchor Robles, San Juan Deputy Director of Task Force Disciplina, license shall also be confiscated and shall not be returned until payment has been done.
Na magkakaroon tayo ng tamang tawiran na yung mga driver natin titigil pag nakakita sila ng pedestrian lane at may nakita sila mga tao na talagang nag-a-attempt ng tumawid, talagang magmamarahan sila at saka lang sila andar pagka nakatawid na yung mga tao.
But on the other hand, pedestrians are obliged to follow certain rules. No pedestrian is allowed to cross when the green light for vehicles is lit.
Kung naka-green ang ilaw, dapat wala tayong tumatawid.
A dry run is now being conducted prior to the implementation of the ordinance, as authorities are now beginning to remind motorists and pedestrians that effective March 11, they will start issuing ticket violation.
Sa susunod na titikitan na namin kayo ng second offense. Ito, alam na natin na daanan lang po ng tao to. Pag itong na-stop, sabay-sabay na bigla nag-stop, hindi na makaiwas na makatras pa kasi may nakatutok sa likod.
From 2010 to 2012, the MMDA recorded 15,567 accidents involving pedestrians, of which almost 500 died. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.